How to fix Instagram notes not showing up. So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you guys can go ahead and fix Instagram notes not showing up. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to provide you guys with about 3 solutions that you can use to diagnose this problem. So one of the common ones being that if you head over to the settings and then make sure you head over to account, most of the time you guys are probably on a business account. Now, business accounts don't get that option because they're obviously just a business account. So switch your account type to personal, and I've actually tried this myself and it has actually worked. Now I switched to a personal account right now. I head over and you guys can see now I have the notes feature. Now I can actually type here. So that's one way. If you're stuck on, maybe a business account, it's good to switch back to personal. I believe if you switch back to personal and then you get the notes feature and you switch back, it'll still work. So just keep that in mind. One of the fixes to this problem. Now, the second one is heading over to the App Store and heading over and searching up Instagram. Now, this applies to the Google Play Store as well. So just go ahead and click the Instagram app and make sure that your app is updated. It's very important because you might be stuck on one of the oldest versions of Instagram. So just go ahead and update that app of yours, and that should pretty much diagnose the problem you're having with Instagram notes not showing up. So the next one is if you actually head over and click the 3 horizontal lines, click settings, and from here, if you go ahead and click privacy, you're gonna have to go ahead and click activity status. Now, some of the reasons why it won't actually work is because you don't have your activity status on. So just make sure you turn it on and then make sure you go check back and see if it's actually there. So if none of that has actually resolved your problem, then the only way you can go ahead and get it is if you head over to the horizontal lines here, you click settings, and then you click help. Now, you're going to have to report the problem to Instagram. So just head over to report a problem, and then here you can go ahead and press report problem without shaking. And you're going to have to include all details. So go ahead and include and continue. And you're going to give a pretty brief description of what's not working. So obviously the feature of notes is not working. So put that, Instagram notes is not working in this, support ticket. So they'll go ahead and review that, and it just might be a common issue. It doesn't get issued to people. So just go ahead and text them or send them a ticket, and they'll go ahead and resolve that for you. It's good that you also put pictures just so they could see the details of the problem, and it gives them a better understanding of what to diagnose. So that's pretty much how you go ahead and fix Instagram notes not working. So hopefully you guys found this video extremely helpful, guys. And like I said, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys next time.